our daily lives are full of these social dances that we often take for granted that allow us to coordinate seamlessly with other people, often without talking. So walking past someone on the footpath and picking up on subtle cues to move past them without bumping into them. We pick up on these subtle cues that help us to make these social decisions during interactions. In the most part, we're really effective at doing this, often without thinking. And I think that's a really remarkable skill that we have as humans. The really exciting thing about virtual reality is that it has this sort of twofold benefit of allowing us to achieve a high degree of realism in terms of simulating realistic social interactions, and at the same time having a high degree of control, being able to control aspects of the social environment in which we're engaged in. But also it has lots of exciting applications. For instance, we might take our new knowledge about how humans process social information to enhance nonverbal communication in specialized contexts, like strategic military operations or rescue operations where you might not be able to speak verbally. The other potential application for virtual reality is to provide an alternative environment for social interactions for autistic individuals. It changes everything, even though the virtual character is doing the same thing. How we feel during the interaction is different. Our strategies for coordination are different. How our brain responds to social information is different. That's really important knowledge for informing how we position artificial agents for various applications out there in the world. There's a whole lot of work that needs to be done to sort of look at those factors and why they matter.